I made a horn for the Shinkansen N700 series, and this is what it sounds like. It also comes with a bell that I'll show you in a minute. When you press the B button, it's going to play the doors are closing warning sound as well as the melody. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate using the test station I built a while back. First, tell the train to drive to the track mark. Then tell it to wait for 10 seconds. Then tell it to open the doors on whatever side the platform is on, in this case the right. Then tell it to wait for however long you want the doors to open. Okay, now this is when you tell it to ring the bell. After that, tell it to wait for 30 seconds because the sound file is 30 seconds long. Next, tell it to close the doors on the same side, and then tell it to ring the bell again. And that's basically how it works. I'm going to test it out and see if it's working correctly. It should be here in a few moments. To use Seki means unreserved seat, by the way. I forgot to tell the train to wait before leaving, and it actually left as the doors were closing.